What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're continuing with our Rustoleum custom mix series where we do awesome new spray outs and you guys get to rate it. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and rate it anywhere in between, guys. As usual, we're going to two-tone this fender behind me. Today's colors are ink blue and gloss black, and we're continuing with our Sea of Pearls, our cool color shift spray outs, with a rosy amber. It shifts from pinks to purples to blues, so I figured the ink blue would be a good color combination for the pearl. And of course we're using the Speedo Coat Clear. So yeah, it's going to be an awesome video today. I hope you stick around for the whole video and the entirety of it. And we're going to get to two-tone this fender behind me and shoot some awesome pearl. So let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so we got our ink blue and our gloss black down now, and now it's time for the fun part, some pearl. Alright, so we got rosy amber. Man, this is pretty cool. Just looking at the powder itself, it looks like a mix of purple and blues, and you know, it's gonna be all around pretty. I just got a feeling. As usual, keeping with the Sea theme, I'm gonna try to do 3/4 of a teaspoon. That looks about right. I'm gonna dump that in the mix. And yeah, I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so rosy amber. This is what it looks like in powder form. Actually, better yet, let me stick this in there and let me show you this. That's pretty cool. You see the little blue sparkles in it when I turn it? That's pretty crazy. So let's see what it does in the mix, guys. Alright, so right away, man, this is shifting all over the place. I see blues, I see pinks, I see purples. I even see a little amber at angles. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that looks crazy in the mix right there, guys. Man, well, it does have some blues in it, so that's good. So I think it'll do pretty good over the ink blue. But I'm excited to see what this does, guys. Let's let up the V-Vor gun and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so I got my V-Vor gun loaded up today with this Rosy Amber color shift. It's a 1.4 tip, shoot at 28 PSI, that is wide open trigger if you want to replicate my settings. I'm going to do a light coat first just to make sure I don't have any reactions, and then we'll do 2 or 3 follow-up coats until we get the desired effect and take it out in the sun and see what we got. So I'm going to put my mask on and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, Rosy Amber. Man, this one has got a crazy shift to it, guys. You saw them daggone pinks when you shifted at a real hard angle. Man, I wish I could get it to do it, but I definitely think I picked the right colors today because, man, over that blue, man, that is beautiful, man. Look at that. And it's got a little bit of a purple hue. You see it? See that purple hue right by the light? That kind of showcases what's to come with it. But, man, this is a pretty wild color shift, guys. Tell me what you guys think. Alright guys, so this is the spray out for today. A Rosy Amber. I kept saying Ember, but it's Amber. Rosy Amber color shift over ink blue and gloss black. Now, I thought this turned out really, really interesting, really cool, but ultimately it ain't up to me, guys. I want you guys to rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen, and where can I get it? Well, you can get it as seen on YouTube. If you check the link in the description, I have links up there to where you can buy this pearl, you can buy flakes, you can buy the gun I used today, the clear coat, all of it is on my Amazon page as seen on YouTube. You click that, it takes you to my Amazon store, you find everything there, and you can purchase it. It costs you guys nothing extra to buy it from me, and you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else. In case you have any issues at all, you can return it or whatever else. But I had a lot of fun today, guys. I hope you had a lot of fun watching this. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification so you don't miss an episode. Helps me out tremendously. We are growing very quickly, and I'm very blessed, and I thank each and every one of you for subscribing. That's going to be it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this spray out. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. I hope you have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.